Good soup. Day 12. Okay, so we're gonna be going over turning broccoli into a dairy-less broccoli and cheese soup. Yes, you're right, there's definitely no cheese in there. So what I'm gonna do here today is just make it also enjoyable. Honestly, I prefer this over broccoli and cheese in some cases. It's nicer. What I start off with is just a pot. Got my broccoli, and what I'm gonna do is drop onion. Give the broccoli stem a little peel on the bottom first. Gets rid of that woodiness. I'll just chop it up. That goes in. And we're just gonna add a yellow onion. It's gonna add some more flavor to our soup. It's gonna be nice. Just equal sized chunks is fine. That goes in. And then I have veggie stock. You can do chicken stock if you want, but if you want to keep it vegetarian, veggie stock is fine. That goes in. And it doesn't need to be covered because, as in it doesn't need to be submerged in liquid because we're gonna cover it. So cover this, season it with some salt. We're gonna let this go on the stove, bring it to a simmer. Okay, this has been simmering for like 5 minutes. Now, once again, if you don't have vegetable stock, water's fine, but vegetable stock will make it more flavorful. Some of our stock in there. I'm gonna reserve my stock on the side in case I need more to thin it out. I'm gonna do 9 ounces of soft tofu in there. Some salt to taste, some white pepper to taste. Then some sesame oil for some added richness. Give it a little taste. I'm gonna add some more salt to taste. Then some citric acid for a little brightness. This one's not even open yet. Pack Fresh citric acid. You can find it on our website, Spiceology, and my flaky salts, by the way. Touch of that for some pop. Oh yeah, that's good broccoli soup. That's really f***ing good, dude. Which bowl? Left or right? Let us know. Also, like the video. Raw broccoli for some added texture as a garnish. Why not? And some fancy olive oil. Look at that, dude. Pretty little broccoli soup without the dairy. Still very delicious. Actually, you know, in some cases, it could even be better. What's a good thumbnail? This or this? Let us know down below. That's for you, dude. Thank you. All right, let's see how this is. It's a good bite right there. Good soup. Very good. That's tasty. That tofu adds some sort of texture that's like cheese. It's so good. Try this out.
Ooh, that's really good.
Let us know what's next. Smash like, subscribe.